welcome to my extremely special video. I really don't know how to express my feeling when I reach a very special, important milestone this month. I have worked hard for 6 years on YouTube, and finally I received my silver button, even though I reached 100,000 subscribers long time before. YouTube CEO have sent me a letter. They remind me about my first subscribers. I'm surely remember that. I asked my friends, my family's member follow my channel because very few people knew about my channel when I started to do. They also remind me about the 1,000 subscribers. Maybe I don't remember well, but I have never forgotten the feeling when I reached those milestones. I started to make 3D origami in 2009. I'm very proud that I have never left my country, but my work have presented all over the world. But the thing make me feel the happiness and the proudest is that I can share 3D origami art to everybody and make 3D origami be more and more popular. When someone tells me that they are very happy with what they have done by follow my tutorial video, I always smile and feel happy in my heart. This is the first award in my life, so I want to share it with you, and I want to say thank you very much for supporting me for a long time. This award belongs to not only me but also you, because you are the people who click into subscribers button and finally help me receive my silver button. I'm thankful to all. Please keep supporting me in the future. Whenever you watch my video, please click into like button to encourage me and share my video so that 3D origami art can be known more and more. Thank you and goodbye.